Hi, this is video 3 of putting the shower merchandiser together. As you can see at this point, we have the samples and the crown molding slid into place. I would suggest when you're doing this part of it that you just do have a rag. Although we clean the samples, they still are a little bit dusty. And then now we're going to talk about installing the shower handle and the shower head. So this is the mixing valve, and in order to get it to attach to the merchandiser bracket, we have to use these little fittings that come in the hardware box. And so we'll take these fittings, and then we have an example of it attached to the bracket that it's going to mount to. And you can see that we have these little conduit straps that go around those pipes of the fittings that we just had. And then on the back side of it are just some nuts. And you'll want to go ahead and screw this in tight, and so it doesn't move. And then you'll go ahead and put it right through the hole here on the marble panel, and then use the holes that are provided and put the extra nuts in there, the bolts, and tighten them down. And then here's the assembly for the shower head itself. You'll go ahead and screw the pipe into place. You'll put the grommet cover or the hole cover there. And then you'll have what we are using for this display is a conduit nut to go ahead and put that in place. And then that will just slide into the hole there. And then there's another conduit nut for the back side that it can be tightened, and then that will just hold the shower head in place. Go ahead and adjust these. Down here to trim out the mixing valve, you'll have the cover, and then there's the handle, and then there is a set screw underneath here. When you're done, you can go ahead and set that in place and tighten the handle. And then our last step is to take the sign and mount it to the top. It mounts at an angle, and then there's just a little screw on both sides here that you can tighten it up with, and the sign will be mounted in tight. There we go. That's the complete shower merchandiser assembly. Thanks.